Good morning, everybody. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Wow, it's March for you. It's the last day of November for me of 2021. You're not watching an old episode. You're watching the latest episode. I'm just really ahead of myself. Yeah. Anyways, we got one. This came day before yesterday in the mail, all the way from Indonesia. This is mee goreng black pepper seafood from Best Walk. And this is a variety I've not tried before. They sent 3 varieties, and 2 of which seemed like ones that I've had in the past, but they might be different. I still got to talk to them about the other 2, because there's an original and a spicy. And I think I've had those. I mean, I looked and I saw, I have had like original and spicy of this brand before, but if they're reformulations, that's a whole different ball game right there, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so we got 3 minutes, go. So, what's going on? Ooh. I don't know why, it's just like I don't like to have the cabinets open when I do the show. It just seems... You don't do that. I don't know why. I guess you could do that. Doesn't really matter. But, yeah. Oh. Who do we have here? Hey, Mr. French Fries.
I'm Miles.
Yeah, I know you're Miles. How you doing today?
Hi, Papa. I'm good.
Good.
I'm gonna say hi to the nice people.
Oh, go right ahead.
Hi to the nice people.
What are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Well, what are you gonna do today?
I'm gonna do school this weekend.
This weekend?
Hi, nice people.
You guys are nutty nuts. Go play.
Okay.
Hot stuff in the kitchen.
I'll be back.
Love you.
Love you.
Yeah, so they are doing school this weekend. Actually, not this weekend. In a bit. Yeah. Back to school. It was kind of weird having that Thanksgiving break. It just like... So yesterday, wow, that was a busy day. Did my 3 reviews. Got Miles off to school. And then between that time and when Mimi had to get on the bus, I did a new video that I've never done before. I did a instant ramen subscription box 2022 buyer's guide. I figured tomorrow's the first day of December. If you want to get like subscription boxes for people for the holidays, why not? You know, people might like that. So that's what I did. I had to set up the green screen and everything, but luckily now I've got all the lights pretty much assembled. They're just not extended for the little tripods that they go on. And I've got it all sitting next to my bed. But it's easy. It's like, it only takes me maybe like 10-15 minutes to set all the... Basically, it's like turning my living room into a video studio. It's cool. I really like it. Those things are cheap too, the green screen setups. It's like, it'll cover the whole wall. And I think that thing, I got it for maybe like, I think I got it for Christmas a few years ago. And I think it was like $100. All the lights still work. Knock on wood. They're like these CFLs that are like this long. Non-dimmable CFL. It says it on the boxes for them, just all over it. Non-dimmable. You can't dim these. But I've got all the bulbs already in the fixtures. What I used to do is have it all in the bag. It's got like a big zippered bag that it goes in. And you can collapse it down, put it in the bag, and carry it around and do whatever you want with it. But I need scissors. But yeah, I've got it all kind of halfway set up now, so it's not so hard to deal with, which is I tell ya, that makes it a lot easier to use it and more enjoyable to use it too. And I actually did yesterday's green screen while Mimi was still here. So I did that and then got her off to school, dropped off a return at the UPS store. And what did I do? As if anybody cares, I just need to say something, right? and then I went walking on the trail, which of course is nice. And then after that, got home, did a bunch of walking indoors. And did the shuffle of getting them off the bus, did more walking indoors, edited my video. Yeah, I did that buyer's guide, plus I did 2 unboxing videos. And this one that I'm making right now was one that I unboxed yesterday. There's a task that I need to complete. I need to get us new music for this show. It seems like I just did it, but it's like I'm already sick of the music. I need to I think what would be good is to make 2 sets of music. Maybe 10 sets of music and just rotate that. Then it wouldn't get stale so quick. But here is our mealing. Black pepper seafood mee goreng. Doesn't that sound good? I think it sounds good. Mmm. That is good. There's a really nice black pepper hit to it. It's not like... A lot of the time the black pepper is just a little... I like black pepper, but sometimes it's just a little too much. That's just the right amount. It's like it's smattered. It's got a smatter of black pepper in it. So here's our mee goreng fried noodle. There's that. And I've got some seafood. A couple shrimp. A couple fish ball over here. I did all this prep. It's like 7:45 in the morning and I've already like sauteed meat and made perfect egg and all that good stuff. Are we gonna get away with making it a little off the top? Woo! Ooh! I better take the beauty shot quick before it just explodes. But I think that's coming up pretty darn quick. Okay. We'll put some coriander right there. I'm gonna call that pretty good. I think it's too late to try to move that egg. I don't know. Where did I put my spatula? I put my spatula way down here. I gotta do it. I gotta move this egg. I'm toying with possible destruction here. That's a little better. We're gonna do some... I know. A little bit of seed. Very little. And some crushed red pepper, I think would be nice. I should have sauteed the should have sauteed the vegetable or the seafood. Ugh. Can't talk this morning. In some sambal. That's what I would do. That I could have done. But look at that egg. Look at that egg. Yeah. All right. Oh. Not plugged in. There we go. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one we got it's for the US market and it's made in Taiwan. This is called Sesanood. This is Original Sesanood by Sesole. Yeah? Yeah, right on top. Sesole. So this is a Taiwanese dry noodle, but it's for the US market. So maybe they're trying to get people into Taiwanese food over here. I don't have any problem with that. That's logical to me. So they got two varieties. They got this one that's just like regular sesame paste flavor, and then they've got a spicy one. So we'll check it out. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.